Magic Tech Review, and in today's video we're going to talk a little bit about a new phone that is dropping for Cricket Wireless, launching on June 15th. So go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below what you think about this new phone and other phones that might be coming to Cricket Wireless. So this new phone that I'm talking about here is going to be called the Moto E5 Supra. So yes, Supra, man. I am super excited about this phone. Actually, it's going to be a really nice phone. Some nice specs. The E5 Cruise was okay, but I didn't really particularly enjoy it like per se as I think I should have. And I'm just I just wasn't feeling this phone. And you know, man, I mean, don't get me wrong, the Moto E5 Cruise was definitely a good little phone, but you know what I'm saying, for the price point and everything, it just didn't do it for me. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. So basically, this E5 Supra is going to have a 6-inch HD Max Vision display. So that's going to be awesome. So basically, you're going to have a 18:9 aspect ratio on it. It's going to be water repellent, guys. It's going to be water repellent. It's going to have an octa-core processing power. It's going to have octa-core power. So I'm not exactly sure what it's clocked at, but I know it's going to have octa-core power. It's going to have a 12 megapixel laser autofocus rear camera with LED flash and 1080p HD video, plus an 8 megapixel front facing camera with LED flash. So that's going to be pretty freaking amazing right there. And also, guys, it's going to have at least 1.5 days on charge with a 5,000 milliamp battery, and it's going to have a turbocharger on it, guys. It's going to have a turbocharge on it, so you can just go ahead and literally charge your phone up like really fast. And it's said to have, you know, good hours of standby time just from 15 minutes of charge. So what a great addition basically to Cricket Wireless. So guys, in the comments, leave comments down below if you think that this is going to be a great phone for Cricket Wireless. Finally, I think it is. I'm so excited for this phone, to be honest with you guys, for Cricket to actually be getting something that's like, you know, really decent. And it's also going to have a fingerprint reader, and also going to have features from Motorola like Moto Display and Moto Actions. And it's going to have 32 gigabytes of storage, Android 8.0, and a micro USB charging port. So that's all the information for now that I have, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this little tidbit of information. You know what I'm saying? Obviously things can change, but I'm pretty sure that this is going to be what it is for now. So yeah, guys, everybody get excited, get hyped up for the Moto E5 Supra, and yeah, pretty freaking awesome. Alright guys, it's been John from Magic Tech Review. Thank you guys for watching the video. As always, leave a like on it if you did enjoy, and go ahead and subscribe and whatnot. And you guys have a great one. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.